Hi there everyone. Mother Teresa once said, spread love wherever you go. That's the theme for today's video. This is Chetna from GetMyHarvest and I'm back with another succulent arrangement. I'll share the products that I used for making this arrangement and the various care tips later on. Let's first see how I made this.
Walking down windy roads, on purple mountains, green forests grow. And I know I'll take this piece and plant its seeds where I may roam. Insights into anything, for moments to arrive, back where everything and nothing happen in the same. Hey, now it's changing, time's rearranging, but I'm catching falling sand with nets meant for butterflies. If you could see the shattering of hourglasses, found in chasing butterflies, all because we can. Well, I thought when life came to me, because it came to me, and when it came to me, I lived. All because I thought when life came to me, because it came to me, and when it came to me, I lived. All because I find it strange, this mass exchange. We're building sandcastles to break open the waves, and maybe learning how to build all of our dreams is this freedom that we seek when we're digging deep for fresher water. Well, I thought when life came to me, because it came to me, and when it came to me, I lived. All because I thought when life came to me, because it came to me, and when it came to me, I lived. Now it's changing, time's rearranging, but I'm catching falling sand with nets meant for butterflying. If you could see the shattering of hourglasses, found in chasing butterflies, all because we can. Well, I thought when life came to me, because it came to me, and when it came to me, I lived. All because I thought when life came to me, because it came to me, and when it came to me, I lived. All because I remember butterflies flying in their disguises. Their home's not in the sand, but in the air where everyone can fly.
I used a tray which was terracotta and I painted it turquoise. Then this pot that you can see here, I've written this love with the 3D outliner. I also decorated the boundary of the tray with the 3D outliner. I used a variety of succulents here. but then I wanted some kind of a color variation. That's why I used the Bolivian Jew, because it has these shades of dark green and purple, and I think it looks really nice here in a frilly manner. I used a little bit of the heartstring there, and overall you have to see that you don't water your succulents by throwing water on them or even spraying, because these petals that you see here, they would start having spots on them. Make sure that you're using a syringe and you're watering near the root of the succulent, just like that. I use this syringe. I cannot water this arrangement right now because I have used some cuttings, and I want those cuttings to heal, so I won't water them for the next 10 days. An arrangement like this can last for a year if you just keep it in a sunny spot in your house. Keep it indoors, but keep it near a window or a place which receives bright sun for at least 4 hours in a day, and the succulents would do well. If you're watching this video, I sincerely hope that your life also gets filled with loads of love. If you liked watching this video, let me know in the comment section below. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. I have shared all the links in the description of this video. Thank you for taking out time for watching this video.